We got imitation crab today. The perfect crab, extra limon. First bite for me.
What?
Potato. More lemon. Yo, this one is so big. Cheers.
I used to think the glow was makeup, something I had to earn, but it's water in the morning, and letting my body learn. This clean skin, soft light, this rest that shows in my eyes. This how
This
I hold
bite
my
can be
shoulders.
for you.
I stopped living rushed. I don't chase it.
Remember that girl? I think her name was Carly or Charlie or something like that. She was like, she saw a baby on the interstate and like she was like trying to watch them, or I don't know, like she went missing, and then the FBI got involved, the Secret Service, and made national news, and like it all turned out she only did that for her boyfriend. I wonder what she's doing. Like, why would you do that in the first place? Like, literally, I was thinking about that when I woke up. Whatever happened to her? Like, what happened? Did she get charged?
Real glow comes from inside when I don't need a proof.
Yo, people that don't like eggs in their seafood, why?
Still keep my peace. It's being kind.
Yo, my last crab, it looks really good.